What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. My name is Frank, your resident affiliate expert, and today I want to talk about the important things that you want to include in an affiliate onboarding email. Now, like in all my videos, if you enjoyed today's content, you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. And of course, leave some comments below. Let us know if there's anything that you'd like for us to cover, if there's anything that we said that kind of stuck with you. It really helps us kind of pick a direction of what content to create moving forward. All right. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and dive on in. So I'm going to really focus on some of the CRMs that are that are predominant in the REI info space. And the three that I most commonly hear about are HubSpot, Infusionsoft Keep, that's the same one, and Go High Level, okay, or to some people just High Level. And what you'll notice about most of these affiliate programs is they have a very simplified and default welcome email. So once you create an affiliate program or a campaign and attach it to a sign-up form, in most cases, it defaults and sends a generic email out, right? It'll say, hey, thanks, here's your affiliate link, here's a link to log in, and that's pretty much it. But what you have to understand, as we said in previous videos, is that most of our affiliates are not marketers, right? They are doing the business. They're usually the mom and pops. I would say more than half of them are not very technical savvy without, a very detailed step-by-step walkthrough. Here's how you log in. Here's how you create an account. Here's how you pull your assets. Here are some effective ways to use your affiliate links. If you don't really have a lot of these elements in your onboarding email, this is a large reason why most really don't do anything after they sign up, because whatever you're giving them, they're like, well, I don't really know how to use this, nor do I even know how to create an account. And that's another thing too. If you're using High Level, your affiliate program, they need to create an account first. Even though the welcome email gives them their affiliate link and hey, click here, they have to sign up. And what I like to do is either do one of two things: give them visuals. So we'll take screenshots with arrows like, hey, next steps, you go here, click here, do this. It's very, very step-by-step. Or I'll create a very short or detailed explainer video that walks them through the onboarding process, okay? Again, affiliates is all about building a relationship. So the more I can get in front of them and be helpful, one, it's going to help us stand out from our competitors' affiliate programs, other people's affiliate programs. Two, an informed mind can make accurate decisions, right? An unformed mind or a confused mind gets stuck in that what do I do next mindset, okay? So we always want to help guide them into at least knowing or having confidence. Here's my marketing materials, here's my affiliate links, and here's how I put them together and where I put them, right? Whether that's an email list, whether that's in social media. And really, as a side note, if all the assets you're creating are very social media heavy, right? I had a client that I was kind of going through all their assets. They created Instagram carousels, graphics, banners, all these things. You have to understand that someone's website and social media channel is very high real estate, right? And if you're just saying like, hey, you want to be my affiliate, go ahead and drop this in an area that has high real estate, right? If they have great SEO, their website gets a lot of traffic, what makes you think they would just want to put an affiliate link there because you have a great offer, right? There needs to be some type of conversation there to get that type of opportunity. Same thing with social media, right? Have you even went to their page yet and seen, are they even putting carousels on there? Are they even putting like little banner images on their Facebook channels or their Instagram? If not, then all of these assets are going to create more confusion or just be ignored, right? So what you really want to do is help guide people through, hey, here's your affiliate link. This is great for your social channels. And here are some sample posts for that. But here's some also for your emails. This is also if you want to host a webinar or have me on your podcast. I call it the Swiss Army knife approach, right? We always want to make sure we're prepared to tap into the marketing channels that make sense for them. And the greatest way to start that is your onboarding emails. So if you're not including any type of screenshot of how to walk people through or a short kind of, you could use Loom. I love using Loom as a training tool. It's the best thing you can do for your custom welcome emails. So the best advice I can give you here, if I could leave y'all with anything, is if you're still using your software's default welcome emails, update that first, okay? It's the first impression of any new affiliate signing up, and you want to make sure you're holding their hands at least through the first few steps. Okay, it's how we start building that relationship, and that it doesn't die on the vine. Okay, so guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you guys would like to see some samples, would like for us to help you review what your current onboarding process, be sure to reach out to our team. I'll put the description below of how to reach out, fill out one of our contact forms, or even schedule a free consultation with me. Okay. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this was helpful. I look forward to talking to you guys next week. Take care, good investing, and bye-bye.